All right, so we got here two big packages from Samsung, and finally, my pre-order for the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro had arrived. And like, there's two boxes here. Like, the first box I would presume to be containing the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro headset, and the other box should contain the free Galaxy Buds 3 Pro case. It was supposedly the Disney Mickey Mouse version that came in free, but since I think they ran out of stock of that one, so they sent out an email changing what was the free Buds 3 Pro case. So I don't know what's contained here, but like this is really rather a large packaging for a very small thing that's inside, and we will open this package up. So for those that do remember or recall, so I did pre-order the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and what ended up happening is they have to reschedule or suspend the delivery of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro case due to some QA issues. So I pre-ordered my Galaxy Buds 3. Alright. Uh, yeah. So yeah, as you can see, it's zero rated, and it's for the Buds 3 Pro case. Uses thank you card. So where was I? Okay, so I pre-ordered the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and I also pre-ordered the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and that was like back in July 17th to be exact, and it is now September 2nd. It took 1.5 months to deliver. So as you can see, like they could have just like shipped this all in one box, which is really environmental friendly, Samsung. Really environmental friendly. So we'll put that on the side. So this is the other box or the other package that uh, came in today, and we will see the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And this is it was like for those that don't understand, like it's been raining hard this past past day because of the typhoon that hit us, and that's why like they're wrapping all packages with this insane amount of plastics. All right, let's see what this five boys look like. Oh, very well sealed, Samsung. Very well sealed, but you guys could have helped the environment better by just having a better order logistics on shipping the boxes together. Alright, okay. Alright, so like for those who are curious on how much I got the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro during the pre-order, so it's about 6,500 pesos. That's how much I got them. And another thank you note, never ending thank you note. And here we are, the star of the show, Galaxy Buds 3 Pro in all its glory. So this two comes together. So this is going to be replacing my, I think this is my 3-year-old Galaxy Buds Pro. So this is the first version. This is not the Buds 2 Pro, and they are starting to show signs of aging. And now we will be unboxing this two together. So you and I are just gonna be seeing this for the first time. All right. Let's see if we can open this with just one seal. Like the Samsung seals are sometimes like you can just open them with one. Nope, you have to really open it with two. I have no idea who Kit Haring is, but it's free. But it was supposed to be the Mickey Mouse version, but they changed that uh, shortly. Ah, this is like the most frustrating thing about packaging nowadays. Hmm, there we go. Ah, God. All right. So this is the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Hmm. Oh, there we go. Nice. I like the lighting. So USB-C, synchronized button, I assume. Oh yeah, those are really nice. Nice light ups. Hmm. Right. USB-C button. Alright, let's put that on the side here. So what do we have inside? So we got the USB-C, presuming USB-C. Yep, USB to C, USB-C, and yeah, some spare ear or different sizing of ear cushions. I think that is the cost of the whole. As you can see, like this whole thing is just so unorganized when you pull it out. Like I have a feeling that the reason for that is they were after this ear tips and they were replacing them like crazy during the process, and they just didn't have enough time to actually put everything back in place normally. Um, I'm not exactly sure, like how do I know if this is the device version or the new version? Like comment down below if you guys have any identifiers of such. Um, I'll go on next. Quick start guide. I don't know, Samsung. Like I think you guys have to start removing these things. I know to a certain extent they're required by law on certain territories, but I don't know if anyone reads them anymore. Alright, so I put this back there in the case. So bear with me. I don't want to mess on my unboxing. So I just like to keep them all clean. Okay, let's open this one up. Um, I don't know if there's any seals. Oh, there is a seal on the side. Alright, so these are the free kit carrying cases when you order the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro kit. Oh man, like this is ugly. This is like super cheap Samsung. I would have appreciated a silicone case actually. Um, but yeah, this is really cheaply made and it feels super cheap. Oh, it's the other way around. Yeah, we meant to like that. And then that. Oh, my my laptop just popped out Galaxy 3 Buds Pro found. So it just popped out that message, but I don't think I'm gonna use this. This is just too flimsy. But thank you, Samsung, for the effort on that. So still appreciate that a free item is a free item. So there you go. We got the Buds 3 Pro sign here. So I'll click on connect. All right. Wow. All right. That was a quick setup. It seemed like it. By continuing, agree. Yeah, did no, I only agree with the bare minimum on these things. So I don't like giving away too much information. Voice and siren detection, like it mutes your music or whatever's playing in your buds whenever like it hears a siren outside. Very effective. So that works as well on my current Galaxy Buds Pro, the first generation. All right, and it automatically named it for me. So yeah, no, that's basically it. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro finally came after 1.5 months of waiting for my pre-order, and that's it. All right. If you guys like this video, please feel free to like it and subscribe. And again, like this package. Thank you. Ciao.